China, according to reports, has just rolled over $3.4 billion in loans to Pakistan, bringing Islamabad's foreign exchange reserves to $14 billion. To most, it looked like routine diplomacy. But dig deeper, there is more to it. It was Beijing's opening gambit in intensifying US-China power struggle, one where control of Pakistan is seen as vital for reshaping the future of the Indo-Pacific, Central Asia and the broader Islamic world. Pakistan is more than just a neighbor to India. It is a pivot, a launchpad, a chessboard of corridors, pipelines and military alliances. But for China, Pakistan is the corridor to the Arabian Sea, a way out of the Malacca Strait. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor or CPEC allows Chinese goods and oil to bypass checkpoints controlled by the US Navy. For the US, Pakistan is a security lever next to Iran, adjacent to Afghanistan, and tightly linked to both the Taliban and Saudi Arabia. It is the only Muslim nuclear power and the only country that has been both an American ally, sometimes simultaneously. China has pumped over $62 billion into Pakistan since 2018, building highways, power plants, railway lines and most crucially developing Gwadar port. It gives Beijing a direct sea outlet to oil-rich West Asia and a future naval outpost to project power in the Indian Ocean. June 2025, President Donald Trump hosted Pakistan's Army Chief, Field Marshal Asim Munir for the lunch at the White House. That is not just for optics, it is symbolism. In Pakistan's military-dominated political system, being seen as the highest table of power in Washington is like winning the geopolitical lottery. Both countries want to be seen as Pakistan's primary military benefactor, but for different reasons. China wants long-term alignment, the US wants tactical access, and to ensure Pakistan doesn't drift entirely into Beijing's orbit. For India, CPEC is more than infrastructure, it is provocation. The corridor passes through territory India claims as its own, Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. New Delhi sees a two-front challenge, China in the north, Pakistan in the west, and Chinese-funded military projects tying them together. So when Trump hosts Pakistan's army chief and supplies F-16 upgrades, India sees betrayal. China offers debt relief, ports and long-term partnership. The US offers military prestige, diplomatic reach and market access. But neither can claim victory yet. Because Islamabad is doing what middle powers do best, balancing, hedging, extracting.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.